So now let's see the text animation choices that you have in Filmora. So for that, I'm just going to drag in a plain text right here, and I'm just going to go around and edit this to tube right here. So in order to see the animation options, what we have to do is go on to the animation section right here. So right now, by default, there's no animation applied to it. But you can see that there's other animation styles that you can just click and apply. Double click, and there you go. That's the animation that's applied, as you can see. I can double click on this, and it comes up as if you're typing it out. You can go on to cinema style, and that's that. Click on this, and it's something like this. So you can go ahead and choose the animation style you want. Let's say, for example, you want this. You simply click on that, and that's it. Double click on this, and then it's like a zoom. So what you can also do is you can create multiple copies. So I'm just going to go around, and I'm going to copy, and I'm going to paste it right here. So there's the same layout right here. I can go around and change it out and say something like learning at your convenience. I'm just going to go around and say learning at your convenience. I'm just going to go around here, type in, and go around, go over here, better type it here, learning at your convenience right here. So once I do that, you can see that same animation is applied on both of them. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this animation right here, and then I'm going to apply this animation on this one. So what happens is that you can see that this is the animation you get right there. And that is how you can apply out animations. What you can also do is change out the animation for existing templates. So for that, I'm just going to go around over here, and I'm going to go around into, let's say, for example, openness, and bring this in right here. Once I do that, it's downloading the content because this is not currently available, and it's downloaded. So there you go. This is the animation you have by default. You can go ahead and type in. So I'm just going to go around and type in tube right here, and I'm just going to pull this out on the left side, and over here I'm just going to go around right here, and I'm just going to say keep on learning in this case right here, and then arrange this out right here. So once I do that, you can see that if I were to play this, you can see that this is the animation. But if I want to change the animation, then what I can simply do is select it out, and let's say I want to go for this one. So I'm just going to double click this, and you can see that the animation changes. Double click this, the animation changes right here. So just go around, double click this, and then there you go. Double click this, there you go. So I'm just going to go around and choose something like, let's say, this one right here. And now what I have is this. If I were to press the play button right here, you can see that this is what I have. That's the animation. And the length of the animation is set by what is there on the template, just like that. And that is how you can work around and choose text animation inside of Filmora. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.